If you've ever had Neder's raspberry cream cheese pie and loved every bite, but not the price tag, you are not alone. Today we're making a copycat version that tastes just as amazing, but with one small and intentional swap that makes it even easier. We're starting with the raspberry sauce. In a medium saucepan, whisk together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1.5 tablespoons of water until smooth. Then add in 1/4 cup of sugar, 12 ounces of fresh or frozen raspberries, and 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Blend it all up in the pot right there with a stick blender until it's mostly smooth. Then keep whisking while it heats over medium-high heat. Bring it to a boil and let it bubble for about 5 minutes or until it thickens up nicely. Once it's ready, remove it from the heat and pour it into a heat-safe bowl. Add 1.5 tablespoons of cold butter and stir. This helps cool the sauce and gives it a little silky finish. While that cools, let's make the dreamy cream filling. Pour 1.5 cups of cold whipping cream into a mixing bowl and beat until you've got stiff peaks. Then set it aside for just a minute. In a larger bowl, mix together 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Beat until it's smooth and fluffy. Then fold in 1/2 cup of sour cream. This gives it a tangy, rich balance. Now gently fold in the whipped cream in 3 additions, being careful not to deflate it. You'll know it's ready when it's fully combined and there are no white streaks left. Spread that luscious cream filling into a 9-inch graham cracker crust. Yep, that's the swap. We're skipping the baked pie crust and going for a buttery graham cracker crust that still tastes amazing and saves time. I like to build up a little edge around the outside to keep that raspberry sauce from spilling over. Once the pie filling is in, spoon the cooled raspberry sauce right over the top. Smooth it out, cover the pie, and refrigerate for at least 4 hours to set everything perfectly. When you're ready to serve, you can dress it up with whipped cream rosettes or just dive in as is. No judgment here. Slice, serve, and get ready for major compliments. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more awesome recipes just like this one.